Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Fractal Levels Indicator for MT4 and MT5. Although in this video I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version, but if you want to download the MT4 or the MT5 version, just check the description below. You're going to find the links to both the MT4 version and the MT5 version. All right. After downloading the indicator, just head over to your data folder. All right, for the MT4 you have to navigate to MQL4, and for the MT5 you have to navigate to MQL5. Okay, in both cases look for indicators, and within the indicator folder you have to paste your indicator file. Okay, for the MT4 you have to paste it here. For the MT5 you might have to go to examples and paste it under the examples folder. All right. Now, after you have done that, you have to get back to your navigator and refresh. You should find the indicator after refreshing, but if you still can't find it, you might have to restart your terminal. After that, just drag and drop the fractal levels to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and as for your inputs, you can modify the available settings according to your taste. If not, you can just use the default settings. Now, as you can see, this indicator is designed to automatically plot key support and resistance zones based on recent fractal swing highs and lows. If you look closely, you will notice that in addition to this blue line and this red line, there are dots, right? You can see these diamond-shaped dots, around the points where these lines are connected, right? So those are your points of interest, right? Those are points of interest. However, when price, you might not necessarily need to execute a trade close to the dots, but those are the dots that are actually forming the lines, right? So whenever price gets to the blue line, if it is a consolidation market, then you can look for a sell signal. All right. If price gets to the red lines in a consolidation market, you want to look for a buy signal. On the other hand, when the market is trending significantly, you might notice price moving above the blue line. Okay, so you just want to look for confirmation candlestick patterns as price progresses to the upside. Execute your buy trade accordingly, and then in a downtrend, depending on the nature of the slope, if it's a steep slope, you might notice price move below the red line. You just want to look for confirmation patterns and execute accordingly. However, if the slope is very gentle, then you will notice price moving within the blue line and the red line. So in that case, you want to execute your sell trade after price is rejected from the blue line. After price rejected from the blue line, you execute your sell. Then if you have a gentle buy trend, you notice price moving between the blue line and the red line, you want to execute your buy trade after price get rejected from the red line, after price get rejected from the red line, and so on and so forth. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.